Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up Windows search with Listary in this complete 2026 guide. If you're tired of waiting for Windows search to find your files and folders, Listary can help you search much faster and improve your overall productivity. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is installed and running on your Windows PC. Once it's running, you'll see the Listary icon in the system tray. If you don't see it, launch Listary from the Start menu. Next, open File Explorer by pressing *Windows plus E***. Instead of using the standard Windows search box, activate Listary using its default shortcut, such as pressing the *Control* key twice if that feature is enabled. A search window will appear instantly. Now type the name of the file or folder you're looking for. As you type, Listary displays matching results almost immediately, allowing you to open files much faster than the built-in Windows search in many cases. For even better performance, keep your files organized into clearly named folders and use descriptive file names. This helps Listary return accurate results more quickly. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Listary, since updates often improve speed, stability, and compatibility with Windows. If you notice slower performance, restart Listary or restart your computer to refresh background services. You should also keep Windows updated to ensure the best experience. Finally, explore Listary's settings and customize its search behavior, hotkeys, and quick commands to match your workflow. A few small adjustments can make finding files even faster. And that's how you can speed up Windows search with Listary in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.